by the time I post this video, I'm gonna hit 10k subscribers, or maybe not. So if I have 10k, then thank you, but if I don't have 10k, then joke's on me. Alright, welcome to Girl Talk Part 2. This video is sponsored by Sanfe. More about them later in this video. Before we move ahead with this video, I just want to say that I am no gynac or therapist. Just take me as your virtual friend or big sister who is just trying to help you. I'm just going to be giving you guys advice based on my experience. These are my personal opinion. I know most of us are not comfortable talking about these things at our home, so don't worry, you can talk to me. So I posted this story on my Instagram and I asked you guys to send me questions related to periods, feminine hygiene, basically, all the TMI stuff you want to talk about. Let's begin. What was your experience first time using a menstrual cup? So in my last Girl Talk video, I told you guys that I have never used a menstrual cup, but this month I actually tried using menstrual cup and oh my god, I'm just thinking, why did I not start this before? I mean, these are so much better than pads or tampons. I mean, pads, they are so expensive firstly, and they cause so much irritation down there. The one I use is from Sanfe. This is the first time I used, and oh my god, the process was so smooth. I'll actually show you how it looks like. So it comes in a box and then they give you like a really cute pouch where you can store your menstrual cups. I know ye dekh ke bahut ajeeb lag raha ki how will I put this inside. Trust me, it's very easy. All you have to do is like fold it like this and insert it, and it will open by itself. That is all you have to do. So there are like 3 sizes: small, medium and large. I got size medium. Large is basically for people who have given birth, and small is for teenagers. And this is eco-friendly and reusable. This lasts up to 8 to 10 years. Right age to start hair removal. I've had my fair share in both waxing and shaving, but now I only shave my hands and my legs because lockdown के बाद से parlor जाना बिल्कुल बंद हो गया. So I usually prefer shaving. There are both pros and cons of waxing and shaving. Waxing is, it's so painful and it's so expensive, whereas shaving is not at all painful and it's not at all expensive. But yes, the hair comes back really fast. So yes, there is no minimum age to actually start shaving or waxing. यहाँ कोई आधार कार्ड नहीं बना रहे कि minimum age follow करना पड़ेगा. You can do whenever you want to. How to deal with irritation caused by pads? Oh my god, this is what I was talking about. Pads are so irritating. मतलब sometimes when I forget to change my pads ना, इतना गंदा वाला irritation होता है कि मैं क्या बताऊँ. And I know most of you can relate to that. Comfortable with using pads, make sure you change it after every 4 to 5 hours. I know like दिन में बहुत बार change करना पड़ेगा, but then if you change it often तो irritation नहीं होता है. I mean, that is what I can say from my experience. But please switch to menstrual cup. Trust me, it's the best decision I have made in my life. Also, if you get like really bad rashes, just use plain water. उसके अलावा कुछ use नहीं करना पड़ेगा. Use moisturizer or body lotion and plain water. That's it. How to shave down there? Okay, so this is a very important and very personal question, and something that nobody teaches us. Use a really good body wash or soap and shave it. Firstly, you have to trim your hair down there and then shave it. I know मैं थोड़ा awkward हो रही हूँ बोलने में, but then I think these things are normal and we should talk about it. Be very careful while you do it. Don't try to get all the hair out of there. I know कभी कभी बहुत लगता है कि अरे पूरा मुझे एकदम सब कुछ निकालना है वहाँ से, but then don't do it. You might hurt yourself, you might cut yourself. तो it's okay, hair down there is completely normal. तो थोड़ा थोड़ा अगर रह भी गया ना, it's fine, it doesn't matter. Also, I have been using this intimate oil by Sanfe क्योंकि shave करने के बाद वो hair बहुत ही thick होने लगता है. Like if you shave it very often, वो hair जो निकलता है ना बाद में बहुत ही thick हो जाता है. So I would suggest you guys to go for this hair oil. You can use it after shaving your underarms or hair down there. What you have to do is like take few drops, apply it on the hair you want to soften, and then just rub it, massage it carefully for like 2-3 minutes. This is available on Nykaa, Amazon and Flipkart, and also on Sanfe.in. Sanfe is India's new age brand for feminine hygiene and care. Go check out Sanfe. They have different kind of feminine hygiene products for us, and yes, pamper yourself. How to get rid of hickeys? Okay, the quickest and the easiest way to hide a hickey would be using a concealer. Trust me, it can hide everything.
If it can hide my dark circles, it can definitely hide your hickeys.
And a long process to get rid of a hickey would be using ice on that area. उसमें 2-3 दिन time लगता है, but if you want like a quick, easy way so that your mom doesn't catch you, it would be concealer. It is really important to stay hairless all the time. No, sweetie, not at all. I mean, I have not shaved my legs. I cannot show you, but I have not shaved my legs since so long. I just, wax or shave it like once or twice a month, and that's okay. You don't have to think so much about your hair on your body. I know us girls, we get shamed for having body hair. Like, what? That is so crazy. Ever shaved your face? Yes, I have shaved my face once. Like, I get thoda hair on my jawline and I shave it. मैंने अभी तक एक बार ही किया है. I bought these really small facial razors from Amazon. It costs around 250 rupees and you get like 3 razors and you can use it several times. It's very simple, even though मैंने ज़्यादा use किया नहीं है, but मैंने एक बार use किया है. So good. After shaving your face, it feels so smooth, and the makeup also looks really good on you. To smell good down there, just use normal body wash, water, and that's it. We see so many types of advertisements for vaginal wash, intimate wash, and different kind of thing like brightening, lightening. I don't believe in those products. Those products are complete BS. Having discoloration down there is completely normal. Just use normal body wash, while you shower, just clean that area as well. And yeah, I think that's it. I am obsessed with my crush. Aren't we all?
Aren't we all obsessed with our crushes?
What is the minimum age to have? You can do it whenever you want to. If you are above 18, great. And I would say one thing, that do it if you want to do it. Don't come under anyone's pressure कि हाँ यार इसने किया तो मुझे भी करना होगा, उसने किया तो मुझे भी करना होगा. Do it if you want to do it, and do it with the person who makes you feel comfortable. Use protection and don't think कि हाँ the first time you do it, it will be like those movies. It's nothing like that. It can get clumsy, it can get weird. That's completely normal. So do it if you want to do it. ठीक है, किसी के pressure में नहीं आना है. How to deal with insecurities and body type. You guys know how insecure I am about my body. I mean, not anymore, but I used to be. So it's completely okay to be insecure sometimes. I mean, we see so many perfect bodies on Instagram and we are like, why do we not look like that? And most of them are photoshopped. We only put our best pictures out there. We only put our best selves out there. Don't get fooled by social media, especially Instagram. I would say unfollow those people. Follow the kind of accounts you resonate with. Follow the kind of people you like and they are your body type and it's relatable for you. Follow the kind of people who make you feel confident. It's okay to watch porn. Yes, it's completely okay, but don't be too obsessed with it. Should you be sending private photos to your boyfriend? Honey, listen to me. Switch off all the brain cells that you are using right now and just listen to me. In short, I would say no, don't do that. It's not safe. Even if that person is like really close to you, just don't do it. I mean, if they like you, they will like you for the way you are and they won't ask you for photos. I know sometimes we are like too much into the moment and we don't think about the consequences, but please, you should think. Most of my audience are like below 18 and I would never want you guys to send any kind of photos to anyone. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I know some of the questions were like really personal and I never thought I would talk about these things, but you should know that these things are completely normal. If you enjoyed this video, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Check out Sanfi, link is in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.